Here's the secret way to get backlinks and referrals. Believe it or not, there are all kinds of businesses out there that do not have a website. Many of these businesses are popular, profitable businesses that haven't purchased a website because they feel like they do just fine without one. However, most of them are happy to receive a website for free. Find businesses, especially popular local ones, that do not have a website and offer to build a website for them for free. Find a nice looking WordPress theme. You can find some nice ones for free, or you can pay $49 or so for a premium theme and build them a basic website. Then put a short blurb on the site that contains your link. Something like website built and managed by your name or business name with a link. Now that business owner is going to tell his business friends about it, sending you referrals. People will also see your link on the site, sending you referrals. You also now have a solid backlink to your site that will be valuable as that site picks up natural links, which will happen quickly since it's a popular, established business already. That's it. Quick, easy, cheap backlinks and referrals. If this video has helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.